Привіт-привіт! My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In today's video we are going to talk about the Ukrainian Eurovision song Shum by Go-A, and I'm going to explain you the background, the lyrics and the style of this song. But before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments below. So guys, let's have a little bit relaxed video because yes, I'm a little bit tired because today I had a scientific conference and I participated in it with my project and the methods that I use to teach you Ukrainian language. So I will drink a little bit coffee and we will talk with you about the song. So you can drink coffee with me. So, what is the Eurovision? You can ask me. Eurovision is the song contest between the European countries, and every country choose the best representative of it, and each the singer or a band sing a very interesting song. This is my favorite song contest, and I watch it every year. And Ukraine started to participate in this song contest maybe, let me tell you, in 2003, and this contest started in the 60s, last century. So it is a very old competition and it's very popular. Could you please tell me, have you ever heard about it? If not, you can Google some more information about it. And Ukraine won 2 times. The winners were Ruslana and Jamala. Ruslana won in 2004 and Jamala won in 2016. So amazing singers, I love them so much, and their songs were very powerful. And this year the band Go-A will represent Ukraine at this song competition, and I really love their song. It's amazing, and I prepared some information for you about this song. So let's start with the background. Yes, because when you hear this song, it's not standard. Yes, it's kind of a little bit folk, but what is it about? So this song is a very old Slavic ritual song, and it's called Hayivka. Hayivka. So Hayivka is a pagan spring welcoming song that people sang in Hay. The Ukrainian word Hay, so actually Hayivka came from the word Hay, means grove, small forest or garden. By singing songs, dancing and playing games, ancient Slavs turned away winter and welcomed the beginning of the new year, because the new year at the same time started the spring. So we know that the type of this song is Hayivka, and you can see that it is a very old Slavic traditional song. And now we can know the background of this song, and I think that's amazing because this song has a very strong history. So let's talk about the name of this song, because it is called Shum, and I got some messages from my subscribers. Ina, could you please explain us what does this song mean? I really like it, but I would like to know the meaning of it, and that's why I decided to record this video for you right now. So in the modern Ukrainian language, the word shum is translated as noise. This is a noun, noise. But in the Proto-Slavic language, the word shum meant forest. So right now shum means noise, but before, in very old version of Ukrainian language, it meant forest. So why? Because forest, it makes the noise with its leaves, animals. When you are in the forest and the weather is windy, you can hear the noise of the forest, the voice of the forest, we can say like this, yes? And in Macedonian and Bulgarian languages, shuma still means forest, leaves, branches. Is it true? Do I have subscribers from Macedonia or Bulgaria? Please tell me, is it true? Okay, so let's talk about the style of the song. The style. So this is electro folklore. So yes, this is a folk song, but it is combined with the electro. And Go Away, this is an amazing Ukrainian band, similar to the band Onuka. And you can Google or you can find this band on YouTube and listen to the songs. That's amazing. It's something crazy, really. So just please listen. So Go Away is the band, as it's clear, yeah, their specialization is to make some interpretations of the old Ukrainian folk songs and to combine them with the electronic sounds. Okay, and what about the name? Go A. Go A. So English name, yes? Yes, of course. So the go, it means movement. Go, the movement. And A, as in the ancient Greek letter alpha, which refers to going back to one's cultural roots. So we can say that the meaning of this band, the name of it, is movement to the roots, exploring to the roots. That's Go A did. And the singer of this band, she said that she explored the old folk Ukrainian songs. She went to very old Ukrainian villages and met with the Ukrainian women, and they gave her the lyrics of these songs. That's amazing. So what is the song about? That's very interesting. The song is calling for spring to come, as we said before, yeah, Гаївка. Our ancestors believed that singing and dancing together would have a magic impact on nature, since everything is alive and listening to what people are talking about. I'm sorry, yes, I'm reading, but I prepared the script, so don't worry. I didn't took it from the internet. So you can hear when they sing this song, see you, see you, see you. Yes, and it means see you. It means I am sewing. So see ya ty, this is the infinitive verb, and we just conjugate it for I. See you, я see you, but we can omit the personal pronoun and we just say I'm sewing. I'm sewing. Yes, so there is no need to explain the life of our Ukrainian ancestors, that they depended on the harvest and agriculture was their main job. The hemp plant is beneficial even right now in Ukraine because we made from it oil, boots, cords, clothes, and so on. So the most interesting is the lyrics, guys. The lyrics. So let me just drink a little bit of coffee and we will talk about the lyrics. So the lyrics of the song, they sing: Прийди, прийди, весняночко, та й не забарися. Come spring, come, don't wait around. Весняночко, паняночко, заглянь у віконце. O spring, our miss, look in the window. They are also addressing to Shum forest, yes? Заплетися, шуме, барвіночко. Shum, get invited with the periwinkle. Я тобі співаю весняночко. I am singing the spring song to you. When periwinkle covers the forest with beautiful flowers and green leaves, it means that spring is indeed coming. So this song is about the spring. about the spring, I'm sorry. So right now it is May, but it is still very cold in Ukraine, and I live in the south of Ukraine, and here is much warmer than in the west or in the actually in all regions of Ukraine, but it is still very cold here. So we are still waiting for a spring, and I hope after this song, after the when the Go will win this, I hope they will win this song contest, we will have the real spring here. So let's continue. Then they sing. Нумо, нумо, заплетемо шума. Come on, let's twine the shum. To twine the shum here refers to an old tradition of twining birch leaves when young women made these flower crowns just on the birch tree, like really twinning the forest. So actually, I'm sure you saw pictures, Ukrainian women in a traditional our clothing vyshivanka, and also we like to make and to wear this flower crown, and I really like it, and I can make it with the flowers by myself, and that's very interesting. I really like this kind of tradition. So this song is amazing, very traditional. So, and then they sing. Сію, сію, сію конопелечки, sowing, 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 sowing hemp plants. Сію, сію, сію зеленесенькі, sowing, 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 sowing green ones. So this is the song about, very interesting. And так, at the end, they sing some more words. Нумо, нумо, наробили шума, наробили, весну розбудили. Come on, we made some noise. Made some noise and awoke the spring. Okay, so also guys, I picked up some very useful vocabulary for you. So you can see on the screen, so please read together with me. Сіяти, сіяти, to sow. Я сію, conjugation. I sow. Співати, it means to sing, and this is imperfective verb. And заспівати, it means to sing, this is perfective. Я співаю, I sing. Я заспіваю, I will sing. Наробити шуму, make noise, to make noise. Розбудити, to wake up someone. Зима, winter, весна, spring. And also we have some diminutive forms here, like весняночка, сорочечка, конопелечка, зеленесенькі. Diminutive forms, we form them with some special suffixes like ochk, echk, elechk, essenk, and so on. So guys, the song of Goei Shum is very unique, and it has a very ancient and deep meaning, and I really love it, and I hope it was very useful for you, and now you understand the cultural background and the meaning of the lyrics, and I hope you really like it. And if you want to learn more about the Ukrainian language and to learn more Ukrainian vocabulary, then please check out my online Ukrainian language school speaker.com, where you can take a trial lesson just for $1. And if you want to see more video lessons, then check out my Instagram, Speak Ukrainian Language. And if you like my YouTube channel, and if you want me to record more video lessons like this about the songs and their meanings, then please support my YouTube channel on patreon.com. And guys, please watch, I leave here the link, please watch the Ukrainian, the original song Goei, and their participation in Eurovision contest. I will watch it tomorrow on Saturday. There will be the final competition, and I will fan for Goei, for Ukraine as usual. Please support Ukraine with me. So побачимось скоро. See you soon and па-па.